Hi, moms and dads! Ako nga pala si Rose, your friendly financial advisor. So today, pag-uusapan natin ang 10 reasons kung bakit hindi mo daw kailangan ng life insurance. Pero teka, baka magbago ang isip mo after this video. Stay tuned until the end para malaman ang ultimate truth at paano kita matutulungan. Reason number 1, wala naman akong pamilya na dependent sa akin. Reality check. Lahat tayo may mga taong umaasa sa atin, partner, parents, or even future family. Reason number 2, healthy naman ako, Rose. Reality check, life insurance is for the unexpected. Hindi mo kontrolado ang future. Reason number 3, bata pa ako, Rose, saka na lang. Reality check, the younger you are, the cheaper your premium. So, bakit ipagpapaliban kung mas mura ngayon? Reason number 4, hindi ko afford yan. Reality check, may mga plans as low as 100 pesos a day. Actually, price lang ng kape mo yan. Reason number 5, may ipon naman ako. Reality check, life insurance ensures na ang ipon mo ay hindi para sa goals mo. Hindi pambayad ng unexpected expenses. Reason number 6, wala akong oras intindihin yan. Reality check, that's why I'm here to make it simple and easy for you. Reason number 7, may insurance naman ako sa trabaho ko. Reality check, company insurance ends when you resign or retire. May backup ka na ba? Reason number 8, masyado pang malayo ang retirement, Rose. Reality check, life insurance isn't just about retirement, it's also for protecting now your family. Reason number 9, hindi ko kailangan kasi wala namang mangyayari sa akin. Reality check, nobody plans to get sick or meet accidents, but it happens, so be prepared. Reason number 10, kaya ko nang protektahan ng sarili ko. Reality check, life insurance isn't just for you, it's for the people you love. So ano sa tingin mo? Totoo ba na hindi mo kailangan ng life insurance? Remember, life insurance isn't an expense, it's a gift of peace of mind para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Gusto mo bang malaman kung ano ang best plan para sa'yo? Message me now and let's create a financial plan that fits your needs and budget. Huwag nang maghintay ng bukas. Simulan na natin ang journey mo to peace of mind today.